So it's on the 4th of May, that is Monday, when it comes to the results that would be announced. But when it comes to high drama, even after the polling that is now over, especially in West Bengal, that has been witnessed. Let's get you exactly what all has happened in the last 12 hours alone. Now we are talking about the pictures coming outside a strong room in Kolkata. The face-off between the TMC and the BJP escalated after TMC leaders claimed that attempts were made to tamper with the EVMs, with leaders of the ruling TMC holding a sit-in dharna outside the EVM strong room in Kolkata of authorized party present representatives as well. And it was none other than the Chief Minister who visited a strong room and issued a strong warning over alleged EVM irregularities, but after spending more than 3 hours inside a strong room in Kolkata, saying that any attempt to tamper with the voting machines or the counting process will be met with life and death fight. Now, as far as the threats are concerned, Election Commission has come out to deny all of the allegations. In this breaking update, let's get you what we are getting to know, because this seems to be a drama that seems to have unfolded, where the TMC has been claiming that ballot boxes were opened, EVMs were tampered with, and Mamata Banerjee has called on the party workers to stay up all night to guard the EVM strong rooms. And this is now coming at a time where the Chief Minister has been saying that she would personally come to take stock of the situation. However, the Election Commission has later issued a clarification denying all of the allegations. The TMC leaders there, who sat outside the Netaji Indoor Stadium in the state capital soon after, a big team of the Kolkata police also reached wearing anti-riot gear, so the situation could have escalated out of control. But let's in the meantime listen into what the Chief Minister said.
और बाहर का आदमी आके वो खुल रहा है, देख रहा है, डायलॉग को इधर उधर कर रहा है। वो देखने का बाद मैंने जब सीसीटीवी देखा टीवी में, तो मैंने सोचा मैं भी तो देख के आऊँ। तो पहले तो सेंट्रल फोर्सेस मेरे को एंटर ही करने नहीं देते थे। उसके बाद पूछा किसी से, बोला नहीं, बोला हमको जाने का हक है, बिकॉज वो लोग पहले किसी को अंदर में जाने नहीं देते। लेकिन as per our election rules, the candidate and election agent of any party is allowed up to the sealed room, not inside the sealed room, but outside at the door of sealed room. तो पहले तो ये लोग मेरे को घुसने ही नहीं देते थे। उसके बाद इसको फोन किया, बट आरो किसी से परमिशन लेके आरो मेरे को घुसने दिया आउट।
Well, let's connect with Ridhita. Ridhita, good morning. High drama seems to be playing out. Is it true that all-night vigil was kept on part of the TMC workers outside those strong rooms? Mamata Banerjee alleging that there has been a malpractice with the Election Commission denying those allegations.
Well, absolutely. You see, this has all started after a video message by Mamata Banerjee was portrayed over her Facebook, where she had said that there can be chances of EVM tampering, and towards next to it, we see that Kunal Ghosh and Shashi Panja stating strong protests outside the Khudiram Anushalan in North Kolkata. After which, this is the strong room where Mamata Banerjee herself came. This is a Shekhawat Memorial, and here the counting procedures of the Bhawanipur constituencies will be going on. She was here till 12:30 a.m. last night, keeping a strong vigilance over this area. I also remember that she has urged to all the other candidates also to come out and keep a strict vigilance in their counting centers as well, because there are sources which indicate that there can be any kind of EVM tampering. And given to this understanding only over a viral video, yesterday Shashi Panja and Kunal Ghosh staged strong protests outside the Khudiram Anushalan, which is just next to the Netaji Indoor, 50 meters away to the counting center, and that was one of the strong rooms, stating that there are people who have trespassed into the strong room without intimidation or any other parties representations being present there. However, the Election Commission has denied all of this claim, stating that nothing such like that has happened. And over their X handle also, they have made a post stating the video that have been posted by the Trinamool Congress alleging of trespassing is completely false.
Absolutely. So we'll tell you exactly how, this row actually began, as Ridhita continues to be with us. Because with the TMC candidates from Belghata Assembly constituency, we have Kunal Ghosh, there is party leader Shashi Panja. They were seen sitting on a dharna, sit-in protest, alleging the opening of ballot boxes by the Election Commission and the BJP in the strong rooms without the presence of relevant stakeholders. and that is when the protest began. A massive protest that erupted in Mamata Banerjee's seat as well. Let's take a look exactly when it comes to the sequence of events, how it unfolded.
Currently, you are seeing the tensions that are escalating basically near the Bhawanipur counting booth where the counting will happen. This you can see in the visuals currently. A van of Trinamool Congress is currently here. The people are basically asking that why are they here? What are they supposed to do? What are they doing? You can see the chaos basically breaking out here. You can see the van which has, photos. Photos of Abhishek Banerjee and Trinamool Congress here. They are basically asking, the BJP supporters are basically asking why there is, the van here. Sir, ये क्या है? Sir, गाड़ी क्या कर रही है यहाँ पर? So here you see currently the car is the particular van which belongs to Trinamool Congress is just standing just next to the main counting booth. Now there are BJP protesters basically questioning that why there is this car, what is the role of this car, and they are basically releasing that there are people inside which are basically trying to, enter into the booth, and they are trying to capture this entire EVM controversy which has suddenly happened. So this is the current situation. The protesters are stopping the train to go out because they want to know why the car is standing here, why the car was stationed here.
Well, let's get you the other side of the story as well, because West Bengal Chief Electoral Officer Manoj Kumar Agarwal has denied all of the charges leveled by the TMC and assured that all strong rooms are sealed and safely secured. He's made it clear that the Chief Minister, who is contesting from Bhawanipur, is not a candidate in any of the 7 seats on the Kolkata North, and as per the rules, she therefore is not permitted to visit the strong rooms or the counting-related areas linked to the other seats.
8 districts गए हैं, 142 सीट्स गई है वोटिंग के लिए. जो पोस्टल बैलेट्स हुए हैं इनको डिवाइड करना पड़ता है जिस जिस सीट पे है और डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज. जो आज टाइम फिक्स किया 4 बजे करने के लिए, एंड आपके डिस्ट्रिक्ट इलेक्शन ऑफिसर ने मेल करी ऑल द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को, मेल करी आरओ को कि आप लोग जो कैंडिडेट एजेंट है आ सकता है यहाँ पे एज पर रूल. आरओ ने भी सबको बताया, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को बताया, कैंडिडेट्स को बताया. आपको 4 बजे तक आ सकते थे, आपके सामने खुलता वो रूम. 4 बजे तक नहीं आया तो उन्होंने रूम खोल लिया. रूम खोल के निकाल के वो सेग्रीगेट कर रहे थे. बाहर जो सीसीटीवी लगाया, जहां पे आपका बाहर जो है पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का कोई भी आदमी बैठ सकता है जिस समय तक स्टोरेज होती है, जिस समय तक काउंटिंग खत्म होती है. बाहर जो बैठे थे सीसीटीवी से उन्होंने देखा कुछ हलचल चल रही है, एक रूम खुला है और कुछ लोग निकाल रहे हैं. वो पोस्टल बैलेट का रूम था, ठीक है, उनको काम करना था. 4 बजे तक कोई नहीं आया, इसलिए काम उनको 4 बजे स्टार्ट करना है. उसके बाद जब काम कर रहे थे उसके बीच में जो है हलचल सुन के 2 कैंडिडेट आए, एक इलेक्शन एजेंट आया. उन्होंने कहा ये क्या हो रहा है, देख लिया. उन्होंने स्ट्रांग रूम जहां पे उनकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी का वो रखा हुआ है ईवीएम, वो देख लिया, पूरा सील्ड है, जैसे सील्ड था वैसे ही है. वो लोग चले गए. उसके बाद जो है हम लोग जो है हल्ला गुल्ला मचा था, ये हो गया वो हो गया. उसके बाद जो है सब एक्सप्लेनेशन हो गया, वहां ठीक हो गया, सब चले गए. और हम प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए ताकि एकदम क्लियर रहे. The Honorable Chief Minister, who is a candidate from Bhawanipur, is not a candidate from any of the 7 seats from Kolkata North. So she cannot go there.
Now, as far as this drama that seems to be unfolding, BJP on the other side has been dismissing the allegations as baseless, accusing the TMC of spreading rumors in anticipation of a defeat and asserting that the strong rooms were under strict surveillance, saying the one who is actually losing is the one who complains the most.
From tonight, I will deploy 2 from my N2 person and Santosh Pathak, candidate of Chorongi. He will also deploy 2 person to look after the strong room.
TMC leaders alleged has been tampering in the strong room.
This is the rumor, nothing else. This cannot be done. They are actually making certain preparation because they are going to lose. That is why this type of rumor they are spreading. This can, 3 layer security arrangements are here. They can actually stay over there. They can watch
चोर मचाए शोर और कुछ नहीं है। देखिए पूरा जो यहाँ पे सिस्टम है, हर कुछ सीसीटीवी कैमरा के अंदर है। इवन स्ट्रांग रूम के बाहर अंदर सब जगह सीसीटीवी कैमरा लगे हुए हैं। तो क्या चीज की घबराहट है? और उनके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव तो बाहर बैठे ही हैं। ये पहला इलेक्शन तो लड़ नहीं रहा तृणमूल, कई इलेक्शन लड़े हैं, प्रोसेस पूरा पता ही है। तो इस तरह से बच्चों की तरह ये हरकतें जो दिखा रहे हैं, इधर उधर भाग रहे हैं, घबराहट है और कुछ नहीं।
So the BJP is calling it imminent defeat of the TMC, and that is why there seems to be rattle. Amit Malviya of the BJP says that Mamata Banerjee's theatrics this evening are perhaps the clearest exit poll for West Bengal. The writing on the wall is evident, and so is the desperation to distract from it. Now, in the meantime, when we talk about the developments have been taking place, when the TMC leaders were sitting out on a dharna, they were talking about not receiving a certain email saying that why there was a presence of the BJP Karyakartas on ground and there at the strong rooms as well, if there is closely and fiercely guarded. Because the TMC claims that this is a fraud that is being committed openly with full knowledge and protection of the Election Commission and the BJP. Listen into this exclusive conversation.
What are your protests? What is the dharna all about? There are allegations that EVM machines are tampered. Do you have evidence to that effect?
So there are cameras which are placed for visual access of political workers of political parties to see what is happening inside the strong room. Post-afternoon, an unusual human activity was spotted on camera number 17, and that's when we rushed in, because who are these people inside a strong room? Our question is, when Election Commission saw that none of the parties representatives were there, why couldn't you communicate to the DO or the ROs of the assembly segment and ask before opening? And this was where the second, who are these people who are handling ballot papers? Why didn't the political party know that this postal ballot or ballots of various districts are being aggregated, disaggregated, whatever may be the aggregate?
ये इसका चोरी का इरादा पकड़ा गया, इसीलिए भाजपा आकर गोलमाल कर रहे हैं। ये इसका चोरी का इरादा पकड़ा गया, इसीलिए भाजपा आकर गोलमाल कर रहे हैं।
So that seems to be the contention that is now coming in exactly when we speak about the allegations that are now being leveled on part of the TMC. They still continue to maintain a strict vigil, but questions that are now being raised if ballot papers are being moved inside. This is an allegation that is now being leveled on part of the TMC, saying that yet the CEO says that nothing is happening. Please to stay on with us, Ridhita, because as far as the numbers here are concerned, let's get you exactly what the numbers have been projecting and showcasing. 4th of May is when the results come out, right? But when we talk about today and the 4th of May, we will all be busy reading the numbers and reading the body language and reading everything else in between. Now, away from the loud campaign and the battle from the poll booths, the spotlight has now shifted to the silent strong rooms, where the EVMs have been kept. And these machines will actually decide the fate of Bengal, as far as Kamal ka Phool or Trinamool. Now, will Mamata Banerjee get a straight 4th term, or will Ma Kali bless Team Modi? Well, even after, when it comes to the exit polls, that has been giving an edge to the BJP, the caretaker Chief Minister of Bengal has released a 9-minute-long video alleging that the projections were aired on the instructions and the behest of the BJP, and saying that she would return with more than 2/3 majority on the 4th of May.
যেটা টিভিতে দেখাচ্ছি, এটা বিজেপি অফিস থেকে কালকে বেলা 1:08 সার্কুলেট করেছে এবং টাকা দিয়ে বলেছে যাতে এটা দেখানো হয়। তার কারণ হচ্ছে, আমার কাছে স্পেসিফিক ইনফরমেশন এসেছে 1:08 আমি কোনো একটা প্রেস মিডিয়ার থ্রুতে পেয়েছি, এবং সেই ইনফরমেশনে দেখা যাচ্ছে তারা পরিষ্কার বলছে ফোর্সফুলি তোমায় করতে হবে, এটা তোমাকে এর মধ্যে যাওয়া যাবে না। কারণটা আসলে জানেন আপনারা, আমরা 200-300 পেয়ে যেতে পারি, 226 ক্রস করবো 2026-এ। মানুষ যে বিপুলভাবে ভোট দিয়েছে, আমার তাদের প্রতি পুরো ভরসা, বিশ্বাস, আস্থা আছে।
Now, with folded hands, Mamata Banerjee then went on to make another statement. She has then been alleging that the exit poll narrative that is been circulated by the BJP against the TMC is aimed at stabilizing market sentiments and calling her cadre on the ground to guard the strong rooms against what she has been calling as EVM manipulation. And then come a highly unusual call. She said, urging her cadres that not to leave the room unsupervised even for a minute. If you have to use the washroom, do not go longer than 2 minutes. And if you are away for 2 minutes, then have a backup ready.
শেয়ার মার্কেটকে সান্ত্বনা দিতে গিয়ে, এটা আমার কাছে স্পেসিফিক খবর আছে, এইটা করেছে। লাস্ট অবধি আমি যতক্ষণ প্রেস কনফারেন্স করে না বলবো ততক্ষণ কেউ কাউন্টিং টেবিল ছাড়বেন না। আমি নিজেও কাউন্টিং হলে হানা দেবো, কারণ আমি অ্যাজ এ ক্যান্ডিডেট যেতেই পারি, সেরকম সব ক্যান্ডিডেট বসে থাকবেন। যখন দেখবেন আপনাকে ওয়াশরুমে যেতে হবে বা আপনাকে খাবার খেতে যেতে হবে, একদম স্ট্রেট মনে রাখবেন, একজনকে বসিয়ে বিশ্বস্ত, যাতে যাকে কেউ টাকা দিয়ে কিনতে না পারে, তবেই যাবেন, তাছাড়া যাবেন না, তাও 2 মিনিটের জন্য।
So is this hypervigilance or there is a lot of anxiety? Now, has the fact that most of the exit polls seems to be giving an edge to the BJP contributed to Didi being on the edge? Going by the predictions, the race is tighter than the headlines that suggest. Because the momentum seems to be with the BJP, but it may not be necessarily a clean sweep for the Bharatiya Janata Party. And People's Pulse and Janmata, this have been giving this massive pro-TMC outliers where the overall poll numbers are indicating dead heat. With the TMC getting 134 to 151, anywhere in between, and the BJP bagging 134 to 153. So you're looking how tight the contest is. But Team Modi is also confident and saying that it is high time that Kamal ka phool is blooming in Bengal.
मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द एग्जिट पोल सर, लेकिन कॉन्टेस्ट नेक टू नेक है, कैसे देखते हैं?
कोई नेक टू नेक।
आपको कितना एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं?
180 प्लस।
180 प्लस आप। और जो वायलेंस का क्या रोल देखते हैं इसमें सर?
हाँ,
वायलेंस इस तरह से हुआ है, क्या देखते हैं लोग वोटर डरे होंगे या नहीं आए हैं बाहर?
सब वो मरेगा तो एक दिन मरेगा ना। हिंदू लोग आज लड़ लिया ना, डू और डाई।
भवानीपुर में कितना
मरेगा तो मार के ही मर।
भवानीपुर में कितना?
ईवीएम को दबा के मर जाऊंगा। हिंदू का आवाज ही था, मरना है, रिफ्यूजी बनना है तो आखिरी चुनाव में मार के ही मरूंगा। कैसे मारूंगा? हाथ से नहीं, बटन दबा।